What?
I see a label.
You see a what?
I see a label.
You're right. That is a ladybug.
Did it get you?
Huh?
Did you?
What is that called? What's that?
That
What's it called, Maya?
label.
You want to get it?
No.
You scared of it?
No.
You want to touch the ladybug?
No.
You want mommy touch it?
No. Did you get label? That label.
Here, you can touch it. Touch it.
No.
Ah!
No.
You want mommy touch it? Come here. Why you call me? Why you call me over here if you scared of it? Here, mama get it for you.
No.
Come here. Come here, Maya.
No.
Come say hey to the ladybug. Come say hey. Hey, ladybug. Hey, ladybug.
A label. Hey, label.
You want to touch it?
No.
Here, you want mommy touch it? Hey, ladybug.
No.
Hey, ladybug. Mommy touch it.
No.